Welcome to Whippoorwill Holler. I'm Miss Lori and this is Mr. Brown. We live in the hills of Arkansas. We love the Lord. Keepers of the old way, but accept some of the new. We love to cook and we love to eat. We love to garden. It's in our blood. It's how we stay sustainable and fill our pantry. We do a lot of canning and preserving. We live a sustainable life. We love our family. We work hard. And every once in a while, we like to dance. So y'all join us. 1, 2, 3. I always wanted to do that. This is going to be the easiest, yummiest breakfast muffin you ever ate. It's going to come together really quick. We're going to put in our spice cake mix, whatever brand name you use. We're going to put in our applesauce. And the recipe will be down in the description box. And we're going to put in 1 chopped apple. And that's all there is to that. And now we're just going to fold this up good. Now you can add a lot of different things to this. I think I may add some walnuts, some dried cranberries. You can add some raisins or different kinds of nuts. You need to put your oven to 350. We're going to add our craisins. And a couple little handfuls of walnuts. I know y'all going to be asking, Miss Lori, where's the eggs? Miss Lori, where's the oil? How is this going to cook right? I promise you, it's going to. So, it's going to be some really good breakfast muffins. So we're just going to start putting our batter in our muffin cups here. And like I said, I've got my oven set to 350. We're going to check them after about 20 minutes. These breakfast muffins are so moist and so good. Y'all are going to really like them. And they come together so fast. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all come back and see us. God bless everybody. We love y'all.